Hello everyone, a very warm greetings from MES Garware College of Commerce. I, Shritesh Pokre, welcome you all to today's session. Today, I am delighted to introduce Bhushan Rathod Sir, Head of NCC at Garware College of Commerce. Currently serving as an assistant professor, Sir also holds the estimate rank of lieutenant as an associate NCC officer. Sir has Masters in Commerce, NET Set, and CA final qualifications with specialization in accounting, costing, taxation, and financial management. Sir also has 4 plus years of experience. Sir creates engaging classroom environments and fosters a love for learning among students, leading to academic and personal development. So, we welcome you, sir, for today's interview.
Thank you.
Sir, please can you tell us about NCC?
NCC, the National Cadet Corps, is one of the largest world's youth organization established in 1948. The motto of NCC is unity and discipline, and the aim is to develop qualities like courage, character, comradeship, discipline, leadership, sportsmanship, and the spirit of adventure.
Yes.
The NCC is a triangular service organization consists of Army, Navy, and Air Wing. We have had an Army wing in our college since its incorporation in 1967, and
Yes,
the
sir.
total strength of cadet is 80. And we are affiliated with the 2 Maharashtra Battalion of Pune Group Headquarters.
Sir, what role does NCC play in shaping students' personality?
NCC plays a vital role in shaping the individual's personality by nurturing a teamwork, leadership, discipline, and responsibility. Through various trainings, camps, and social initiatives, the NCC helps students to build the confidence, ability to make the decisions, and the sense of responsibility.
What type of activities does NCC conduct?
The Department of NCC carried out various activities throughout the year. There are two major activities. The first one is the camps, like Army Attachment Camp, Annual Training Camp, Basic Leadership Camp, Advanced Leadership Camp, and the activities like Scuba Diving Camp, Mountaineering, Trekking. These are the various camps which has been carried out through the battalion. And the social activities that includes blood donation camp, disaster relief efforts, cleanliness campaign, and the many more. So these are the activities which helps the cadet for their versatile development.
Sir, how does the NCC prepare students for potential careers in the Indian Armed Force?
NCC will help the student, those who want to pursue the career in Indian Air Force. Like there are the several trainings which is being offered by the battalion itself. Then they will learn the armed force ethos and protocols, and they get the opportunity to interact with the army personnel. So this will help them to shape their future.
Sir, what are the benefits of NCC participation for students who don't intend to pursue a military career?
If you don't intend to pursue a military career, even then it is beneficial for the students because it will help you to become a good leader. It will help you to stay fit, be disciplined, and engage with the community. So these are the benefits that the cadet will get.
Yes. On behalf of MES Garware College of Commerce, I thank you, sir, for being a part of this interview.
Thank you.
So, if you like the NCC and want to be a part of it in future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And comment down any of your queries. And surely we will be back with many more videos. Thank you.